Gold and silver started the week on a bullish note, as we have discussed in our weekly review. That possibility of a little rise exists. Interestingly, one key observation is look at 2820 and then 2400, 2404 zone. And precisely, we have discussed why 2400, 2402, 2404 should be a greater resistance for gold, and why 2810, 2820 is a greater resistance for silver. So far, it is respected. Can we expect it to break out on the upside, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates. The second update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. First, if you look at the hourly charts, clearly trading in this bullish channel. See how beautiful it is respecting this. And the second thing is a crossover here in the moving average. This is a bullish crossover. The only bearishness in gold is if it trades below 2380, 2370. On the other hand, if you look at the formation here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now, just connect the dots here, lower highs, lower lows. Thus, you can say that gold is still trading in this bearish channel. So, it is very, very important for gold to break first 2404, 2405, next 2410, 2412, and then 2420, 2422. Three resistances here on the upside. If gold breaks these resistances, consider that we are looking forward to a reversal, which can in fact take it beyond 2440 levels. What has happened here? You can see almost similar lines of performance is getting seen here, and thus we have to wait and watch. It can in fact break on the downside here. If you look at a stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD has retraced here, willing to converge crossover. And see, just look at the formation here. Similar formation is getting seen, and thus a crossover here can reverse gold. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2 more or less similar observation here. What we have seen on the hourly charts is getting seen here at 2-hour charts as well. Look at these three candles getting resistance here on the upside from 2400, 2400, 4 zone. See, none of the candles closed above 2400. That is very, very interesting. If you look at the stochastic, this is near to top. The MACD is rising here. It is still delivering a wave. I will wait if it crosses over and enters into a sell zone. RSI comfortable. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Preceding candle was a swing candle, and we can see it delivering lower highs, higher lows, and thus consolidating its position between this zone. Now, this zone is critical here. Thus, a selling entry today is possible. If you see it is staying below 2385, you can take a sell entry. However, 2380.78 should be first. 2370 should be the next support zone. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is trading bullish, looking upwards. And it appears that MACD has a lot much of room on the upside. Only thing is that it should not be delivering a wave like this. So I will be definitely watchful of if it crosses over here on the upside, then certainly you can say more bullish momentum will prevail. RSI comfortable. Coming to 4-hour observation on every time frame is same. Trading in this bearish channel. Moving averages are running parallel and are trading on the sell side. And I can also see a channel getting formed here. So yes, you can sell here at 2387.85 zone or 87.84 zone, which is going to be a very important support zone. The stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI rising. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily charts here. See, first the drop there, retracement, then the second drop, retracement. So I can also see that this is a retracement here. Now, look at the formation here. This was the formation consolidation, then this breakout is seen. What it is doing, it is delivering lower highs. So it is very, very important for gold to break first 2400, then 2400.45, then 2400.10.12, then 2400.20.22. If these levels are taken in succession, you can say gold is reversing, And then what we are looking at, we are looking forward to a parallel move here, which can in fact take it towards 2440. Now see where the day started. Week has started on a slight bullish note. It has hit the highs, 20 period moving average. Now the current candle is consolidating. So at least we should be cautious of this complete zone here. It has to break out either which ways in order to confirm a direction here. Stochastic rising. The MACD on the daily charts is still trading with divergence. It is still trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, now I will recommend you to buy at 2400, but then expect 2404, 2405 immediate resistance, and 1012 the second, 2022 the third. Once it breaks beyond 2422, you can say gold has turned bullish and we can look forward to a phenomenal rise towards 2432 and 2440 levels. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 2487, expected 2387, expected to move towards 2384, 2379, 2372 are the key supports here. 2372.70 is going to be a prime support. Below 2370, again we are looking forward to a stronger move towards 2362 and 2350 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Just stick to the levels. The week and the day has just started. Let it take a direction and then take your position. Till the time we are not clear of the direction and gold does not give a breakout, you have to trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts is been trading in a range here. Look, it is slightly skewed on the upside, very clear. 2820, very good resistance. Now see, despite the resistance, it has come towards the support and it is still delivering higher. Now look at the silver on the hourly chart. See, a good support is formed at 2760, 2780, and now at 2790 levels. Now see, higher lows are seen here, higher highs are seen here. It has to break beyond 2820. Very, very good resistance it is. Beyond 2820, I will be looking forward to 2840.50. That is also clear. Now see, higher lows are seen taking the support from 20 period. It is rising. So it is still showing bullish momentum. Stochastic looking down. MACD has retraced and a possible, see what has happened here, can replicate, which means if it breaks below 2785, 2780 zone, you can say a reversal is going to be seen. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. Similarly on the 2 hour charts, higher lows are getting observed and it is taking a direction here. Wait for it to give a breakout beyond 2820 and then 2840.50 levels. The stochastic overbought. MACD rising, RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour. Now see on the 3 hour charts what has happened here. I just worry about this, that see, after the drop it has retraced. After the drop it is retracing. 20 period moving average giving it a very, very good resistance. We have to wait for the next candle. If it trades beyond 2820, stay bullish for 2840.50 and 2880 levels as well. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at the MACD double bottom here and looking upwards. This suggests that there is lot much of room on the upside available for silver. RSI rising, again good sign for the bulls. On the 4 hour charts also similar observation is seen here, and this is something which you should be cautious of. See, moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Prices are just retracing, getting resistance here, it can reverse. And thus, as long as 2820 is not taken, you should not be treating silver as bullish. Stochastic near to top. MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence, looking upwards. Now, this is a good sign for the bulls that prices can retrace further, as it is coming from a lower levels. Also, this is double bottom level, so it can continue to trade bullish from here, where we can expect 2850, 2880 levels here. RSI rising from the oversold zone, looking upwards, trading bullish. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, first of all, it is given a gap up. Slightly gap was observed from the last closing. It has filled the gap now. After filling the gap, now it is moving upwards. However, just look at this swing zone here, and thus we have to wait for it to trade beyond 2820 in order to confirm further rise. Now when I say 2820, the lower price has to be about 2820 in order to confirm the rise here. Beyond that, you can expect 2840.50 and in fact 2880 levels. Now see what gold has done. Silver is lagging. After this breakout, gold has moved towards this zone. Silver has to move towards this zone, which is right now sitting at 29. So what could probably happen is silver take a lead and gold might take a backseat today. Moving averages have crossed over and are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish here. It may try to converge. The RSI is flat at bottom. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 2820, where you can expect it to move towards 2840.50, 2875.80 and $29 levels as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 27.85 80 zone, where you can expect it to move towards 27.60, and it is an extremely important support. Below 27.60 is where the bears will take over. Take your trades accordingly. Below 27.60 we can look forward to 27.40 $27 levels as the next target. Trade accordingly. See you again before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.